Hello everyone, welcome again on Babagiri the game show. Before we start our show this time, first of all, thank you so much for that great overwhelming response, for so many comments, so many good comments. Especially Sandeep, you have written a brilliant summary of the show. Thank you so much, and with value addition. Yeah. So thank you so much for that. Also, one person raised concern about social distancing for our health, and thank you so much for that sentiment. We would like to assure you that we are following all the government norms, and we practically stay at the same place.
हम एक ही घर में रहते हैं.
Okay, so moving forward, let's start our show. ठीक है.
So today who is going to start?
थोड़ा सा
मैं कर लेता हूँ.
आप ही कर लीजिए.
Okay. So my first question is, it is a classical dance.
अच्छा.
Okay, it is one of the classical dance, and this was the only Indian dance to feature in 1991 Michael Jackson single Black and White. Okay, shall I repeat?
क्या भैया, माइकल जैक्सन के चेले, रेमो सर के भक्त,
मोहम्मद सर के बाद.
आपको बताना पड़ेगा ये.
Any idea?
इंडियन डांस माइकल जैक्सन.
क्लासिकल डांस तो आर्ट ही है ना यार.
हाँ.
There are
One of the
just
classical
eight
dances.
classical
Yeah.
dances. ये बताओ यार.
Okay, let's see. Let's go to the next clue. Let's go to the next clue. Yes, please.
So, a very distinctive feature of this particular dance is that it includes both North Indian and South Indian ragas.
भरतनाट्यम तो नहीं होना चाहिए, तो साउथ इंडियन ही होगा.
Yeah.
Fine.
कथक भी नहीं हो सकता,
कथक भी नहीं हो सकता.
क्योंकि वो सिर्फ प्योरली हिंदुस्तानी म्यूजिक पे बेस्ड है.
सेंट्रल इंडिया.
सेंट्रल इंडिया में कहीं पे हो सकता है. बताइए.
Central India.
हाँ.
No clue.
यस 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 प्लीज.
One of the distinctive part of this classical dance or tradition is inclusion of moksha. Means it ends with the moksha.
I think I got it.
I'm not sure of it. I'm not.
Okay, now I'll give one clue, which
Man.
you definitely should answer. on.
I think it's Odissi.
It could be Odissi.
मोक्षा. लास्ट क्लू बताइए थोड़ा सा.
Could be Odissi based on North.
नॉर्थ एंड साउथ नहीं, मोक्षा वाला कॉन्सेप्ट इट एंड्स विद दैट कॉन्सेप्ट.
Okay,
दैट्स
then
व्हाट
it
आई
could be.
रेड.
Okay.
लास्ट क्लू पर बताइए सर.
Last clue is Gotipuas.
Hmm.
Gotipua
Yeah.
is very unique feature of this particular.
Odissi.
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 You guys know what is Gotipuas?
Yes.
The dancers who dress like female
Exactly.
dancer, male dancers who dress
So
like
this
female.
is
They are-
unique to Odissi,
Okay, cool.
right?
Yeah.
There is one very important point that I would like to
नाइस
add.
यार, सही जवाब दिया हम लोगों ने. Finally.
No,
First
but
question.
I am still surprised about that first point. Can
See
you
that?
repeat the first point for everyone?
First point is like, this is the only classical dance that featured in 1991 Michael Jackson's singles Black and White.
I'm gonna go back and look at the video now. I have to go and watch Black and White and
I have seen.
find.
I have
But you
been
may not
following
think-
Michael Jackson for such a long time. Right. I have been following Dance Plus for
Yeah.
such a long time. So many classical dancers come and perform.
Yeah.
And still this point never came.
One very important value addition with respect to Odissi is, this is having certain dance positions which are very unique.
Okay.
Example, Tribanga, Sambanga, Abanga.
हाँ.
If you remember, in 2013, UPSC asked question on Tribanga. Right? Tribanga is a position. It's a S bend position. Right? So the question was like, exactly on the manner in which you can define Tribanga.
Define करके बताइए थोड़ी सी मुझे.
So show us the.
Which
गोतीपुआ थोड़े ना हूँ मैं. ठीक है. So the thing is, see, we will be putting the slide. We will be putting the image so you can look at it.
Okay.
So these are certain value additions with respect to Odissi.
Nice. Very nice. Good.
But you took longer time.
अरे यार फर्स्ट टू क्लूज का कोई आइडिया नहीं था, मतलब मोक्षा वाला समझ में आया मुझे, और त्रिभंगा वाला पोजीशन इफ यू वुड हैव आस्क्ड देन आई कुड हैव गॉन क्लोजर, बट
Fine, fine.
माइकल जैक्सन का तो नो आइडिया
Yeah.
है। गुड।
So,
चलिए अब आप
मेरा
पूछिए।
नंबर यार, सी माय क्वेश्चन इज इजी। मैं यार बहुत इजी क्वेश्चंस पूछता हूँ, ठीक है। सो इट्स द डोमेन इज साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी। Okay, so you will have to guess the phenomenon. Very famous phenomenon. It has been in the news, right? And question can always be asked on this question. Okay, so my first clue is that they move at the speed of light and are generated by accelerating mass. When mass moves in space, these things are generated and they move at a speed of light.
Okay.
Should I give another clue?
yes.
Right?
Yeah,
Okay.
you can give one clue, but
Yeah.
I think I know this.
They were predicted by Albert Einstein in his theory of general relativity. He couldn't prove it, right? But he gave the idea.
Got it.
Yeah, got it?
Yeah. Do you have more clues?
Yeah, one clue which is very which will
But
make it
Answer is gravitational waves.
absolutely right. So they were recently detected by an observatory called LIGO.
LIGO.
Right, it is at Caltech University. So their gravitational waves were detected. So for gravitational waves, we'll be discussing the mechanism of gravitational waves in the video. So enjoy that. So right now I'm going to explain you how this gravitational wave or gravity works. So Einstein said that space-time continuum is a two-dimensional plane. Right, बहुत basic तरीके से समझा रहा हूँ so that you can understand. Now in this two-dimensional plane, it's like a fabric, plane sheet. In this two-dimensional plane, if we put some mass, so because of this mass, the space-time continuum is flat. ठीक है, उसमें एक curvature आ जाएगा, ठीक है. Now because of this space-time continuum, because of this flat, now if I add another mass around it, like this. So this mass is moving, and because there is a slack, this other mass is attracted towards the heavier mass, like this. And this attraction is called gravity. ठीक है? अब imagine करिए कि if this mass was infinite mass, तो because of this, if the mass was infinite, this entire space-time fabric would have folded. This happens around a black hole. So if it is happening around a black hole, what happens is this space-time thing gets curved. And actually, instead of traveling this entire region from this point to this point, you can make a jump from this point to this point. And that is the idea behind space travel and time travel. जैसे आपका Marvel में दिखाया कि they jumps from one dimension to another dimension. This is how they have tried to explain this. Now, in this space-time continuum, if this is a mass and if this mass is accelerating like this, you can see because of this acceleration, there are certain ripples which are created in the space-time continuum. See again. These ripples are called gravitational waves. So these gravitational waves, they have got very long wavelength and they reach us. They can penetrate. Now when they reach us, we can detect them, and these waves will be helpful. These ripples will be helpful in bettering our understanding about the origin of the universe, about Big Bang theory, and about everything what we know about it.
Wow.
Okay. Next.
My turn.
Shall I give some value addition here?
हाँ,
Yes,
sure,
please.
absolutely.
See, gravitational waves normally अभी तक जो हम यूनिवर्स का अंडरस्टैंडिंग था हमारा, that was based on light, right? So now with the discovery of gravitational waves, it has opened a totally different
Right.
domain. It is as if you have to understand how unique and distinct gravitational waves are. It's like कि एक बंदा है जिसके पास विजन है बट हियरिंग नहीं है, ठीक है, और वो हर चीज को ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है बेस्ड ऑन हिज और हर विजन, राइट? तो विजन मींस लाइट, तो हम इसको साइंटिफिक लैंग्वेज में बोलेंगे दैट वी वर एक्सप्लोरिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स,
Yeah.
right? Or the other thing that has come recently is study of neutrinos and all that, fine particles,
Yeah,
right?
neutrinos.
Now, since gravitational waves are very weak waves, they don't interact with lights. So electromagnetic waves का कोई
Concept
interference
नहीं है,
नहीं
interference नहीं है।
वो नहीं है. Now these gravitational waves is as if that particular person has developed a new sense which you may call as hearing.
Right.
So it is as distinct in the understanding कि एक चीज आप पूरे लाइफ आप ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो with your vision. now a totally different domain has come up, which is hearing. So gravitational waves is like hearing phenomena.
Very nice.
Okay. इतना
See,
listen.
till now we were not able to detect gravitational waves because the wavelength of gravitational wave is very high. So basic objects, basic instruments were not able to catch them. That's why LIGO experiment is very
And
important.
why, since you put this phenomena, कि हाँ we are not able to detect. Reason क्या है इसका? It takes place so far away.
Yeah.
ठीक है कि जो waves create होती हैं, it can't reach Earth,
Hmm.
and we don't have those sensitive instrument to detect that weak force. That is one of the reasons.
चलिए next आगे बढ़े.
So before I ask my question, I'd like to apologize because it's raining heavily. So if
Yeah.
there's any disturbance in the video, please
Yeah,
excuse us this one time.
Not
We'll
only
try to
raining,
make
I
sure-
think, yeah.
We'll try to make sure that we provide you with the best quality.
Yeah, it's raining cat and dogs. I
Yeah.
think we should be having a hookah here, hookah pot, and then we should have the discussion. Right?
So it's my question.
Yeah, start.
Guess the glacier.
Okay,
Glacier.
ये तो मुझे बताना चाहिए.
This is one of the fastest melting glaciers in the world.
Okay.
Fastest melting glacier, ये तो मैंने नाम सुना है.
Okay.
लार्सन शेल्फ पे तो नहीं है. नहीं, ठीक है.
Next clue. मेरे को पता
Next clue is it contains enough water
Hmm.
to raise the world sea level by more than half a meter.
Okay. ठीक है.
World sea level by more than half a meter. Okay, next clue.
It contributes 4% to the global sea level rise each year.
अरे ये वो Doomsday Glacier. Doomsday Glacier.
It is also called as
What's the scientific name? What's the actual name?
White glacier.
Right.
वो क्या नाम है इसका?
White.
White.
White glacier.
तो Doomsday Glacier, common name is Doomsday Glacier,
Yeah.
और वैसे इसका जो actual name है that is Thwaites
Thwaites
Glacier.
White glacier. It is in Antarctica.
Yeah.
Any valuation you want to give?
THWAITES. In
Yeah.
case anyone. So value addition for this is Project Melt is in effect already to study this glacier. To
Project
do research.
Melt. MELT melt.
MELT melt.
Okay.
Okay, and this is a very fast melt. It's a highly fast melting and fast moving glacier. Scientists have detected presence of recently. This is 2020 news. They have
Okay.
detected presence of warm water under this glacier,
Okay.
and that is the reason for its melting.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, and also ice fin robot is being used to study this glacier.
हाँ, ice fin robots की बात सुनी थी.
Okay, so shall I give some value addition here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
please do.
So it is in Antarctica,
Hmm.
right? So if this is Antarctica, it lies on the western side.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Right.
Last class में we had studied Ross Sea, right? So just imagine that Ross Sea is in the southern side of this glacier, and it is part of Amundsen Sea, which is on the eastern side.
Okay.
ठीक है, not eastern, on the western
Western
side.
side.
ठीक है. So on the western side we have Amundsen Sea,
Okay.
and this glacier is part of that sea. Southern side we have Ross Sea. So on the western side of Antarctica, this glacier is there. Eastern side, we also have a lot of glaciers. So the question is, why this phenomena of fast retreating glacier is happening on the western side of the Antarctica? This is an analytical perspective towards this issue.
Okay.
Okay.
You know that.
No, sir, I'm not sure.
नहीं बताइए.
Why it is so? Because on the eastern side of the Antarctica, the glaciers are very thick, first common sense, but more than that, it lies way above the sea level and it rests on high ground.
Okay.
But on the western side, especially Thwaites Glacier,
Hmm.
they are below the sea level and they are not resting on the ground. So the seabed, as you know, the positioning is like this glacier, right? And the glacier is resting on sea level. And now one point that you made, that warm water is coming. So when warm water comes, what is happening? It is melting the
Melting the
ice.
ice.
And when that ice is being melted, this positioning, it is losing ground from the seabed. So that
Yeah.
is why it is melting.
शाबाश मेरे चीते, शाबाश.
Thank you
आप
very
ज्योग्राफी
much.
क्यों नहीं पढ़ाते?
नहीं sir. This I already taught in the class, so I remember.
वेरी नाइस वेरी
Okay.
नाइस.
Who's
चलिए
next?
अब मेरा नंबर होगा. नहीं आपका नंबर होगा.
My number.
अरे आपका
My number.
बड़े भैया.
Uh, okay, so I'd asked about.
सर उस पे नहीं लिखना है, उनका टॉपिक है ना.
Oh, sorry. My
But anyway,
sincere
answer is not written.
We
so
did.
don't-
Okay, you have not
Even
written
if
the
you-
answer.
My intention
Oh, you
was
have not
not.
written the answer, so it's okay. It's
मैंने भी
fine.
आंसर नहीं लिखा.
I've just written down the clues.
मैंने भी
Even if
आंसर
you
नहीं लिखा,
guys-
मैंने भी क्लूज लिखा है, मुझे आंसर पता है.
But anyway, we can't see your screen, right?
That's
My
the
intention
point.
was not to cheat.
Yeah. You can't.
Okay.
I've not written any
My
answer.
sincere
It's
apologies.
just a clue. Okay, that too in a very
Okay.
specific keywords.
ठीक
Okay.
है.
So, identify the city. Okay. Identify the city.
Okay.
In 2019, okay, in 2019,
Hmm.
the industrial area in the name of this city
Hmm.
became the first greenfield industrial smart city of India under Smart City Mission.
Under Smart City Mission, not Jamshedpur.
नहीं
Jamshedpur
तो
was
नहीं होगा.
before
हाँ,
only. वो Smart City से पहले ही था ना.
सूरत तो नहीं है.
Gift City. लेकिन वो industrial नहीं है.
Okay.
Next
Right.
ठीक है.
One of the very famous Jyotirlinga temples, right, is located here, and the name of that temple is Greeneshwar Temple. So by this clue, you should tell me.
I think I'm gonna need one more because this clue is.
So the next clue itself, you
Jyotirlinga
can't
तो
make
बहुत
it out
सारे
if you are not able to make it out now. Okay.
Okay.
So the next clue is Himru is a fabric made of silk and cotton, which is grown locally here. It's quite famous throughout the world.
हिमरू
Himru.
तो यार महाराष्ट्र में कहीं सुना है मैंने.
One more clue.
महाराष्ट्र खानदेश वाले. हाँ बताइए.
We're not having any.
I really. I don't know where you're pulled.
they are making it. Yeah.
Okay.
हाँ.
Panchakki, which literally
अरे,
means watermill.
औरंगाबाद.
Oh, good. Actually, it is Aurangabad. So, shall I complete
please,
this? Panchakki, which literally means watermills, is a 17th century watermill situated in the Aurangabad city, and it is quite famous. Fine.
I'll tell you how I got the answer.
Yeah.
ये जो पंचक्की वाला एग्जाम्पल आपने बताया, ठीक है, ये वहाँ के एक लोकल कॉमेडी आती थी बहुत पहले कैसेट में, एंड somebody had given me that कैसेट बहुत पहले यार, मैं बता रहा हूँ बहुत छोटा था मैं, I must have been in 5th or 6th.
Okay.
तो उसमें एक जोक था पंचक्की को लेके
Okay.
कि पंचक्की पे जाएंगे लोकल, तो वहाँ से एकदम से मुझे स्ट्राइक किया कि यार वहाँ का हुआ.
Nice. Well
तो
answer.
मतलब
Good one.
वो कहीं से भी चीज़ें आ जाती हैं उसमें आप
So
लेना
even in
पड़ेगी.
prelims,
हाँ.
this is how you get to the answer.
Yeah.
You may not know all the statements if it is a statement-based question. One common clue or one very feeble clue also, right?
एक एग्जांपल मैं ऐसे बताता हूँ आपको. यूपीएससी ने एक बार प्रीलिम्स में पूछा था हल्दी के ऊपर क्वेश्चन,
हाँ.
Turmeric, yeah.
ठीक है. So they asked the properties of turmeric, and they
Yeah.
were like they have got medicinal properties. You drink it with milk, and it'll help in tissue repair and everything, right? No, it's not given in a book. If you are reading a biology book
Right.
or if you are reading any other science book, you won't find it. But because moms keep saying this, haldi wala doodh pee lo, put turmeric in your milk and have it. And that's why it was there in my mind and I marked it correctly. So there are things which you don't exactly read in the book, but then you understand them, you get them.
Fine.
Well, good question. बढ़िया.
Who's next?
मैं पूछूं?
Yes.
ठीक है. So again an easy question. A very famous personality. You need to tell me the personality's name. Okay. So he became a member of Privy Council of Britain. ठीक है. Privy Council of Britain मतलब he used to go there to fight cases, right? So he became a member of Privy Council of Britain, and he was criticized by the Kashmiri Brahmins because he refused to perform prayashchit after crossing the ocean. So the thing is that if you cross the ocean,
Shit! I've read this somewhere. I know.
if you cross the
something
ocean,
about this.
you lose your caste,
Okay,
basically.
okay.
So he refused to do that prayashchit, and that's why he was criticized.
I know this.
Very famous personality.
No, but this we can't make out. I have three names in my mind.
Okay. Second clue.
Yeah, give me a second.
Okay, that's
लेकिन
या
हाँ
क्या क्या सोच रहे हैं?
बताओ
जोर
नहीं
से-
नहीं नहीं
जोर से
नहीं
बोलो,
अभी
जोर से।
मेरे को एक और क्लू दो एक और-
गांधी
He's
सुनाई दिया मुझे
thinking-
मेरे को
गांधी सुनाई दिया।
दूसरा
He's
क्लू
thinking
दो
about Gandhi.
नहीं नहीं अभी बताऊंगा मैं
चलो ठीक है he started a daily newspaper the Independent to criticize the British policies.
It's not Gandhi. But I know one personality who's done this. First point one.
Fine. I know
Third
the
clue?
answer, but can give more clues.
Yeah.
थर्ड क्लू
Yeah.
ठीक है ये मजेदार क्लू है ठीक है his house his mansion is a very famous mansion it is called Swaraj Bhavan okay so Swaraj Bhavan became the hub of nationalist activity in 1900s right still there but before he bought Swaraj Bhavan was owned by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan
Okay.
so he bought this mansion from Sir Syed Ahmad Khan
It is in Allahabad, right? Swaraj Bhavan.
yes
Motilal Nehru. Oh.
I knew this. अरे
The answer
यार.
is Motilal Nehru. He is one patriarch जिनकी family से इंडिया को 3 prime ministers मिले.
Yeah.
Because when you said about the independent,
Hmm.
then I was sure that
I knew from the first statement. I knew it's there in the back of my mind because I had read it somewhere. Okay.
So
One of
Swaraj
the
Bhavan is
places-
actually very famous.
Not the Swaraj Bhavan point. The first point that you gave.
That the Privy Council.
Yeah.
Was it
And
named Anand Bhavan also before?
आनंद भवन अब वो मुझे तो नहीं स्वराज भवन आनंद भवन भी शायद बोलते हैं but I'm
I
not
guess.
sure I'm not sure शायद आनंद भवन भी बोलते हैं but स्वराज भवन तो नाम है ठीक है,
Nice.
एक बहुत फेमस कहानी है मोतीलाल नेहरू से रिलेटेड सी मोतीलाल नेहरू वाज द स्टार बॉय ऑफ इंडियन लॉयर्स ठीक है ही वाज अ स्टड ठीक है तो मोतीलाल नेहरू के पास एक बार एक केस आया ठीक है एंड इन दैट केस देयर वाज अ पर्सन हु हायर्ड हिम ठीक है मैं थोड़ा मसाला लगा के बोल रहा हूँ तो किसी पर्सनल इमोशंस ना हर्ट हो आप लोगों के ठीक है कहानी मसाले के साथ सुनाई जाती है ठीक है सो दैट पर्सन हायर्ड हिम फॉर फाइटिंग हिज केस एंड दैट पर्सन was definitely going to get a death sentence, right?
Okay.
So he asked Motilal Nehru to fight his case. Motilal Nehru went to the court. There एक hearing हुई, दूसरी hearing हुई. Finally, he was given like the judge gave the order to hang him
He
from
was
the
given
neck.
death sentence.
ठीक है, to hang him from the neck. And Motilal Nehru did not say anything. आदमी परेशान हो गया और गलजाने लगा कि भाई ये क्या तरीका है ठीक है या taken you for some reason. एंड यू वर लाइक हाँ कॉन्फिडेंट रहो बचा लूंगा और अभी तो जब तो हो गया सब एंड मोतीलाल नेहरू वाज लाइक नो टेंशन मत लो अभी है टाइम है बोला अब क्या टाइम है भाई
लटक जाऊंगा।
अब तो फिर फाइनली जब डे आया तो दोनों लॉयर्स होते हैं दोनों पार्टी के लॉयर्स होते हैं देन द मोमेंट ही वाज हैंग्ड एकदम से मोतीलाल नेहरू ने कहा रोको स्टॉप बड़ी बस लाइक फ्लैबरगैस्टेड कि ये हुआ क्या एकदम से क्या डेथ सेंटेंस के बीच में रोक रहा है एंड ही वाज लाइक कि निकाल दो इसको ठीक है सो ही वाज टेकन आउट ऑफ द न्यूज़ एंड दैट पर्सन केम आउट एंड ही डिड नॉट डाई तो मोतीलाल नेहरू से पूछा कि भाई ये क्या किया आपने ये तो जस्टिस का मतलब डिस्ट्रप्शन हो गया आपका
हाँ.
तो ही वाज लाइक कि नहीं सेंटेंस तो हो गया था ही वाज सेंटेंस्ड टू बी हैंग्ड बाय द नेक
Oh, not hanged to death.
which was done it was not written that he should die
Oh,
Nice.
so from that moment
Oh my
the
god.
death sentence has been changed into to be hanged from the neck
Till death. Wow.
Oh
अब
my
तो भाई
It is-
मजा
it
आ
is,
गया।
so he
Oh, nice.
is credited for that particular
Oh, that was
Very
amazing.
good, very good,
That's-
awesome.
That's very nice.
so, बड़े आदमी थे
अभी आपकी कहानी से ना एक कहानी याद आ गई
हाँ बताइए
कि do you guys know how this title has come up Nehru?
नहीं
You don't know, right? Many of you may not be knowing,
No idea.
right? So in one of his interviews I've read in one newspaper, Nehru was quoted as saying कि this family belong to Kashmiri Pandit
Yeah.
wala lineage, right? So there was a forefather of Nehru by the name Raj Kaul.
okay
राज कौल सो राज कौल को फारूक शियार ने दिल्ली बुलाया टू सेटल डाउन हियर एंड ही वाज सो हैप्पी विद राज कौल दैट वन ऑफ द जागीर्स वर प्रोवाइडेड
okay
टू राज कौल ठीक है जो एक नहर और कैनल के बगल में था तो आफ्टर दैट बिकॉज दैट वाज वेरी यूनिक टू दैट पर्टिकुलर फैमिली कि मुझे एक नहर के बगल में रेजिडेंस और जागीर मिला है तो उसके बाद से सबने नहरा बोलना शुरू कर दिया जो भी आगे के वो आए
Right.
कि फलाना नहरा उसके बाद नहर से नेहरू हो गया
Oh, very nice.
ठीक है, so नेहरू उसके बाद से
Nehar means a canal.
Canal.
Canal that
Canal.
you take out from a river.
राइट. सो इस जो रियल सरनेम है दैट इज कॉल,
Okay.
राज कॉल और समथिंग.
Very
It's
nice.
I read recently.
Amazing.
Nice.
चलिए, next.
Next.
My
Let's go
turn.
to the next video.
So, this guess the satellite.
Okay.
Satellite. अत्या भाई बताएंगे.
Guess the
हाँ,
satellite.
कर सकते हैं.
So the information from this satellite is being used to prepare World Fires Atlas.
पढ़ा है यार ये.
World Fires Atlas.
कार्टोग्राफी ऑटोग्राफी वाली ऐसे कोई सैटेलाइट होना चाहिए यार.
नहीं, ये जो कीवर्ड है ना वर्ल्ड फायर एटलस, ये पढ़ा है, मतलब रिसेंटली बहुत नहीं पढ़ा है बट सुना है.
नहीं, अभी ऑस्ट्रेलिया वाली फायर लगी थी, उसके बाद भी काफी जो है इसका जिक्र है.
अमेज़न फायर है,
Amazon
फायर
फायर
है.
और ऑस्ट्रेलियन बुश फायर.
नेक्स्ट
Next.
It can detect fires during day as well as night.
ओके.
इंफ्रारेड सेंसिंग यूज करती है क्या? यूज
Obviously.
इंफ्रारेड ही करेगी.
अभी इससे कुछ मेकआउट तो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, बट इफ वी हैड एग्जैक्ट.
इसरो का सैटेलाइट है,
नहीं,
सैटेलाइट
नहीं.
नासा.
हाँ, हो सकता है NASA.
बताओ,
इसरो का नहीं
नेक्स्ट
है.
क्लू, नेक्स्ट क्लू.
Next clue. It is also used to monitor sea, land, and ice topography.
सी, लैंड एंड आइस टोपोग्राफी.
नाम ही याद नहीं. इसरो नहीं है भाई.
नहीं, हमको नाम ही नहीं मतलब याद आ रहा है. इट्स नॉट क्लिकिंग.
Okay, I'll give you this clue that should
Narrow it down.
narrow
yeah,
it down
please.
for you. It is a part of Copernicus program of European Space Agency.
NASA भी नहीं है.
Copernicus तो बहुत
You must
famous है
have,
यार.
yeah, you must have heard of the Copernicus.
Copernicus is
program.
very famous.
Yes.
ESA का Copernicus is extremely
Yes.
famous. इनका वो नेविगेशन सिस्टम भी बहुत फेमस है, गैलीलियो समथिंग. राइट.
नाम याद नहीं आ रहा. आपको याद?
सैटेलाइट का नाम नहीं याद आ रहा है.
गिव अप कर दे भाई,
ठीक
गिव
है.
अप.
So the answer is Sentinel-3 satellite.
ओह यार,
So why this is important is,
देखो सेंटिनल पढ़ा है बट
क्लिक नहीं किया.
so yeah, why this is important is because recently we've seen a lot of fires, a
Yeah.
lot of fire incidents that have happened.
Correct.
And because of that, Sentinel-3, the data from Sentinel-3 satellite is being used to prepare World Fires Atlas. So that will literally detect fires everywhere.
फाइन.
So they are using they're using Sentinel-3 satellite to prepare this World Atlas. And the extra point that I'd like to add for this is this satellite is also used to check the quality and the pollution levels in seawater.
ओह, बड़ी बात है यार. वेरी नाइस. बहुत सही. गुड क्वेश्चन. चलिए.
मेरा turn है?
हाँ, रुकिए. हम थोड़े कूल बन जाएं. ठीक है भाई, हमारे बाल उड़ रहे हैं जरा. हमारे जुल्फे
जुल्फे उड़ रहे हैं.
जुल्फे सवार.
ओके.
चलिए.
कूल लग रहे हैं. ये नहीं है कूल.
ये तो है ही नहीं.
सर आपने नहीं पहना.
बाल कहाँ है? क्या हेयर बैंड लगा के सिर्फ हेयर बैंड दिखेगा, बाल तो दिखेगा नहीं.
आधा है चंद्रमा, रात आधी.
सुपर मून होने वाला है.
ठीक है. चलिए नेक्स्ट.
So now my turn, right?
Yes. Okay.
So mine is a bird. You have to identify the bird.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. The first clue is it has the largest breeding colony in Assam.
Largest.
Bird, yeah. This bird has the largest breeding colony in Assam. One point I would like to make here is that this year birds are very important for prelims. Reasons are migratory species. So many articles have come up. Indian state of bird report has come up. ठीक है, CMS convention happened. So all these things. That is why birds are important.
Migratory birds, yes.
Especially migratory
Especially
birds.
migratory.
So the first clue is largest breeding colony of this particular bird is found in Assam.
ठीक है.
ठीक है, पहला clue. Very interesting clue is coming up. The English name of this bird is derived from their stiff military gait when they walk on the ground.
Okay.
ठीक है. Third clue you may be able to guess. कि they are very much infamous, ठीक है, with respect to their physical appearance, ठीक है, due to ugliness. And particularly people used to say, if you want to find this bird, it will be always around the garbage patch.
यार ये आई थिंक इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ अ स्टॉक
You have any clue?
I have.
असम में, मतलब ऐसे वल्चर वो देख
I
सही
can
में,
think
मतलब
of
देखने
when I think of migratory birds northeast. I think of Amur falcon, but that's not Assam.
हाँ नहीं, that's Nagaland.
So, is it
Breeding and
possible
largest-
that is it northeast area itself? Is it possible?
नहीं नहीं है
I'll
तो
give you one
स्टॉक.
more clue.
I am pretty sure that it
Okay,
is a
so do you have any more
stock.
clues?
One very important point with respect to this bird is that
Hmm.
there is one very unique conservation measure
Hmm.
taken in one of the villages of Assam,
Okay.
okay, wherein the people of the village organize baby shower
Hmm.
before the breeding season of this particular bird.
Baby shower.
Baby shower
for the birds.
for the birds.
Baby.
And this particular initiative has been
बड़ी बात है यार.
Very nice.
very much appraised all over the world.
सर अगेन ना मेरा दिमाग वहीं पे जा रहा है क्योंकि अमूल फाल्कन का फेस्टिवल भी होता है.
Okay. So
लेकिन
one,
मेरा-
नहीं नहीं नहीं, देखो है तो स्टॉक. ये जो अगली वर्ड वाली चीज बताई सर ने, ये मतलब आई एम प्रीटी श्योर इट्स स्टॉक.
Okay.
ठीक है, उसमें मुझे कोई डाउट नहीं है, बट आई एम नॉट एबल टू गेट द नेम क्योंकि बहुत सारे स्टॉक्स हैं ना.
okay, one more clue I'll give.
Hmm.
ठीक है. The Assami name of this bird is Hargila. इसको
Hargila.
बोलते हैं bone swallower.
बोन swallower.
Hargila means bone swallower.
Again, okay, I think I'm gonna go with Amur Falcon, but
नहीं, आई एम गोइंग विद सम एक्स स्टॉक. आई डोंट नो द एग्जैक्ट नेम. बताइए
Okay.
सर.
is it Amur Falcon?
No. The bird's name is Great Adjutant Stork.
एडजुटेंट स्टॉक. सी आई टोल्ड यू इट्स अ स्टॉक.
No, because
बहुत famous है वो.
all this apply except for the Assam part of it. Most of it applies.
Great
to
Adjutant
Amur Falcon.
Stork.
हाँ, एमूर फैल्कन
When I gave you that clue, na,
हाँ.
the English name is derived from their stiff
हाँ.
military
राइट.
Yeah.
posture, right?
Yeah.
So adjutant का मतलब क्या होता है? Google करिए.
ओके.
ठीक है. Adjutant means a military officers
Hmm.
who act on administrative.
Okay.
powers. ठीक है.
नाइस नाइस गुड.
Great Adjutant Stork. ये इसलिए भी important है because of this conservation drive, which has become very famous worldwide. ठीक है. It has been appraised all over. ठीक है.
Yes.
Who's next?
मेरा
Okay,
नंबर.
bye.
Yeah.
ठीक है. चलिए. Again now I am asking a location, right? You need to tell me what exactly the location is.
Location.
Yeah. ठीक है. So basically it's a pre-IVC IVC site, right? And recently a skeleton was found there, and the DNA study of that skeleton has shown that there was no R1A1 gene. R1A1 gene is also called Aryan gene, which we all have, like we all say
Oh.
Aryans. So this proves that IVC Aryans came after IVC, right?
We all.
So
have.
this refuted the Aryan invasion.
I don't know
theory,
if I
right?
have.
You must be having.
Okay.
The Aryan were not indigenous.
Racial discrimination नहीं चलेगा तो आसिफ सर यहाँ पे हम बता रहे हैं.
I'm just saying. I'm not doing.
नेक्स्ट क्लू फिर सेकंड क्लू.
हाँ ठीक है पूछिए.
ठीक है. नाउ दिस सिटी हैज गॉट 9 माउंट्स. 9 माउंट्स हैव बीन डिस्कवर्ड फ्रॉम दिस सिटी. यूजुअली जो बहुत बड़ी सिटी भी होती है उसमें
Okay.
भी मतलब 2 और 3 माउंट्स मिले हैं.
Okay.
लेकिन इसमें 9 माउंट्स हम लोगों को वी हैव डिस्कवर्ड.
वही हो सकता है.
हाँ, okay.
9 mounds is like it has to be big.
Any other clue?
हाँ ठीक है.
लास्ट क्लू.
Last
अब
clue
ये
बताओ.
बहुत इजी क्लू है.
Okay.
विद दिस यू शुड बी एबल टू टेल बिकॉज if you have read static ancient history you will be able to tell this one.
Even current affairs, right?
It's in current affairs. It's in current affairs. I
ठीक
think.
है. So
Let's
it's in Hisar, Haryana, on the bank of river Khakar.
बताइए.
Rakhi Gadi.
राखी.
Rakhi Gadi, absolutely right. So Rakhi Gadi is the biggest discovered site. So earlier it was Mohenjo-daro, now it is Rakhi Gadi in India,
Yes.
in Hisar district, Haryana. Right? Anything that you would like to add?
Yeah, I'm recollecting one thing. I think in the recent budget, finance minister said that 5 iconic sites will be converted to
Yes.
museums,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So Rakhigadi is one,
Yes, Rakhi is
and
one of them.
Dholavira, then Hastinapur,
Hmm.
then Shivasagar in Assam,
Okay.
Tamil.
and there is one in Tamil Nadu. I'm not getting the name. It starts with
Something
A. I'm not able to pronounce that. The very unique aspect of that particular site, which is in Tamil Nadu, which I'm not able to recall, is its urn burials.
अच्छा
वो जो
अच्छा
मटके में
हाँ हाँ अनबियरल होता था.
urn burials होता था.
Right.
That is unique about that particular site.
Okay.
You just
चलिए ठीक है.
Google.
So,
you- हाँ you
peop-
have got a chance.
Yeah, so now whoever can guess the
हाँ.
place
Yeah, that-
name
हाँ
of the
मतलब
place,
guess क्या आप you find it
comment it.
and comment. ठीक है,
Yeah.
you can look for it.
Yeah.
So 5 sites. See the Tamil Nadu one.
Yeah.
Because any of these can be asked. That can
Yeah,
be
yeah.
very important.
Even I think what is the river? Ghaggar River.
Ghaggar River.
Rakhigadi,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So try to locate all the rivers of these 5 particular sites.
Absolutely.
Like Hastinapur, right?
Right.
Then Shivsagar,
Dholavira.
Dholavira, and then
This one.
तमिल नाडु
The
वाला
last one.
आपको खोजना है वो.
ठीक है.
चलिए.
चलिए,
Your-
next.
your-
My turn.
Good one. Yeah.
Guess the theater.
Okay.
Theater.
ये तो मुझे बताना चाहिए.
Art and
Art-
culture.
Theatre.
आप तो थिएटर के ही हैं.
हाँ तो
Of
मुझे
the
तो-
yeah.
now if you have to.
Those who don't know, Atyab sir is a very good actor. He has been part of theater and all that.
Yeah.
So that is why we said you are from theater. चलिए. Okay.
So
question.
it is constructed according to the guidelines given in chapter 2 of Natya Shastra of Bharata Muni.
Chapter 2 of ये फिर तो बहुत पुराना हो यार. Must be very old and should be in a temple.
पता नहीं अभी फर्स्ट क्लू से तो पता नहीं चल रहा.
Second clue,
Yeah.
let me clarify that for you.
Yeah.
It is constructed
Hmm.
within panka prakaras.
पान का प्रकार?
Panka prakaras.
Pan-
I'm so sorry.
ऐसे
It's a
नाम होते हैं
difficult.
ना.
It's a difficult word for me. So
Okay.
panka prakaras. PANCAPRAKARAS. Panka prakaras of the temple. So panka prakaras, to give clarity on what panka prakaras is, it means cloister of the temple.
ऐसे वो
Cloister
center
will
में,
we'll put a picture of it. We'll put an image of it.
Okay. वो सेंटर में ऐसे गैलरी रहती थी और चारों तरफ there are temples,
Yes.
temples. That is
Temples नहीं.
Cluster.
प्रोनाउंसिएशन का तो
एक
ऐसा है
building का.
कि मैं भी जब करंट अफेयर क्लास लेता हूँ तो समटाइम्स आई आल्सो गेट स्टक
Yes.
एंड बिकॉज आई डोंट एडिट माय लेक्चर्स आई टेक इट इन वन गो
yeah.
so sometimes I feel embarrassed that I'm not able to pronounce it.
Can't
This
help it,
happens
sir.
to everybody.
Certain, yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah. I'm sorry.
There is nothing, no discrimination.
हाँ मैं
be teacher
दिल
or
पे
student.
नहीं ले
There
लीजिएगा.
are
ठीक है.
points where you are not able to pronounce. Right?
Yeah, initially, see in North India, I never knew that it is Nagarhole or it is
Yeah,
Aihole.
yeah, exactly.
I used to call it Nagarhole Aihole, right? And that was hilarious. I came here and then I was teaching
Aihole.
in the class and I was like Nagarhole, and everybody started laughing. So
Exactly. Like
Okay.
Bandipur,
Okay.
Bandipur,
Let's get
right?
back to this.
हाँ,
Let's
चलो,
get
चलो,
let's
चलो,
get
let's
back to
back
the
to
my
the
question.
point,
Okay. So you guys got the second point.
yeah.
It is constructed within Panka prakaras
Yeah.
of the temple.
No, I'm thinking, no.
Okay. Panka prakaras. PANCAPRAKARAS.
हमने यार डाल दिया.
Prakaras.
You don't know?
नहीं यार.
Any other clue you have?
I have one more clue. This is a very important clue.
Okay.
An ancient performing art from Sangam era, which is officially recognized by UNESCO as a masterpiece of oral and intangible heritage of humanity, is performed in this
That is the only
theatre.
answer.
केरला कुडियट्टम
कुडियट्टम.
है. आर्ट तो कुडियट्टम है.
Art is Kudiyattam and
Art
the
is
temple
Kudiyattam.
is
What is the place?
Kudam Balam or something. Kudam Palam or Kudam Balam.
Kutambalam.
Kudam Balam.
Kutambalam. ये बहुत famous very
Yeah.
famous
Yeah.
place.
So why have
Kutambalam.
why I have taken
Kutambalam.
this question is Kutambalam, probably very few people will know about it, but since Kudiyattam was in news recently because it was added as a by UNESCO's list of masterpiece of intangible oral and
Yeah.
intangible heritage. because of that, they've always done this where they've taken a topic and they've asked related questions on the related topics.
And this Kodambaram theatre is a very unique perspective.
Yeah,
right?
very unique, and it's temple theatre.
नहीं वैसे wherever you read about Kudiyattam,
Yeah,
you always read about the theatre.
yeah,
Yeah,
Kudambalam,
obviously.
it's always written.
Yeah.
But generally we tend to miss these small details.
Yeah.
And questions asked from
I'm
them.
recollecting one thing. This Kudiyattam, right?
yeah,
So this comes from the word Kutu,
yeah.
right?
Kutu.
Kutu. Kutu is an ancient art form of Tamil region,
Tamil region.
right? But this Kudiyattam is
Kuttu
art
dance.
form of Kerala,
Yeah.
right? There is one unique instrument with respect to Kudiyattam. You know that name?
नहीं.
It's a kind of
Some
copper,
brass. Okay, yeah.
copper
brass,
something
drum.
something.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
ऐसे करके उसको बजाते हैं.
हाँ.
मरझाओ और समथिंग करके उसका नाम है. Please Google it.
ठीक है.
Mazhab.
Okay.
Okay, I have
yeah.
another
Yeah.
Right.
value addition for this topic is only men from Chakyar community in Kerala are allowed to perform Kuttu or Kudiyattam
Kudiyattam.
in Kutambalams.
Okay.
Only the men from Chakyar community.
Okay.
Chakyar. CHAKYAR. Chakyar
Okay.
community.
Chakyar community. तो
Fine.
वो भी पूछा सकता है.
मेरी बारी है
good
क्या?
question. Yes.
अच्छा. मेरी बारी.
आपका turn है.
Fourth round.
Okay. Okay.
Fourth round, final round.
Final round.
What's the
Easy.
score?
Easy question. See, there is no
There's no
competition.
score.
as
Yeah,
such.
there's no competition. Thank
It's
God.
वो
just
तो आप लोग बताएंगे ये
No,
लोग बताएंगे.
thank God there is not a
Other than that,
competition.
they should be parallelly, putting or playing with us.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
whenever we are putting any clue, if you know the answer, immediately put that comment, irrespective of the fact that it is correct or wrong. It doesn't matter.
Yeah,
Just
please.
try to play with us. Not play with us. Play the game. Obviously. Okay. लगता है भाई को ज़्यादा हंसी आ रही. Anyway, अभी
रोक
आपकी
दो,
हंसी
कभी
निकालता हूँ.
कभी रोक दो.
ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा ना.
पता नहीं कहाँ से निकाल के अभी लेके आ रहे हैं.
So now, this is a very famous wildlife sanctuary which was in news recently. ठीक है? So you guys, if not you, at least you should answer.
Okay.
But I think Atya bhai will know.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Geography भी है. So the first clue is with respect to geography
Okay.
that this sanctuary has the largest stretch of tropical lowland rainforest in India.
Tropical lowland rainforest.
Largest stretch of tropical lowland rainforest in India. And I missed to tell you one thing that regarding this particular wildlife sanctuary, that it is also an elephant reserve.
अच्छा.
This wildlife
ये
sanctuary.
largest stretch lowland tropical rainforest तो north east
Northeast.
वाले आ गए. अगर
Northeast.
आसाम असम वैली में
Yes.
होगा कहीं पे ब्रह्मपुत्र
Yes.
वैली में कहीं पे.
This is the only sanctuary in India which is home to 7 different species of wildcat. 7 different species of wildcat.
ये
Next
think
clue,
you will
please.
get it.
Next clue.
clue.
Third clue. It is named after a very famous river and a very famous hill range.
अरे न्यूज़ में था यार ये.
Yeah. Dihang.
It is
Dihing.
Dihing Patkai.
Ah. Right. Dihing.
It's not Dihang.
Dihing,
Don't
Dihing.
get
Yeah,
confused
Dihang is
between
different.
Dihang River and
Yeah,
Dihing
yeah.
River.
Yeah, yeah.
ठीक है. Dihang River is separate
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Dihing River is separate. It is
Dihing.
Dihing Patkai. So Dihing River is a tributary of Brahmaputra. It's around 240-250 kilometers. And it originates from Patkai Bum mountain range.
Correct.
So that is Dihing Patkai. तो फिर वहीं Dihing Patkai sanctuary है. Very nice.
It is also called as Amazon of East.
Oh.
Amazon of East.
Amazon of East. And
Amazon
it's it was there in the news.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why it was in
Facebook
news?
पे
Why
कहीं
it was
पे-
in news? I'll tell you. Recently, National Board of Wildlife,
Cool.
they allotted, starting of coal mine in this particular sanctuary,
Yeah,
due
yeah,
to
yeah,
which
yeah.
lot of controversy erupted.
Yeah.
कंट्रोवर्सी क्या है यार?
हाँ, obviously.
देखो डेवलपमेंट के लिए क्या चाहिए? बिल्ली चाहिए, कोल चाहिए. कोल चाहिए, बिल्ली मार रहे हैं. कुछ नहीं है. कोई कंट्रोवर्सी नहीं है भाई.
Fine.
Okay.
So you remember now, right?
हाँ एकदम आप भी रिमेम्बर. नेशनल पार्क नहीं चाहिए अपन लोग को. ठीक है. माइनिंग चाहिए. कोल.
Cool.
आपकी turn.
मेरी टर्न है क्या?
Exactly.
Then now I'll ask a geography question. ठीक है. Very easy question.
Whatever you want to ask.
You all should be able to answer this one. Okay. So it's a phenomenon, right? You need to tell me the name of this phenomenon.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, these winds, it's a kind of wind, these winds are found in the innermost part of geostrophic winds. Rohan should be able to answer because I have taught this to you.
And what about me?
आपको हम क्या पढ़ाएंगे सर, आप बड़े आदमी हैं सर, हैं?
No.
No, I know this.
I don't know this answer. First
Okay,
clue, sir.
give me another clue.
Any clue?
ठीक है, second
Another
clue.
clue.
कि these winds are responsible for creating the polar vortex.
खत्म. बताओ सर, आप ही
Jet stream.
Very good.
Vortex का connection है jet stream से.
ठीक है, तो फिर मुझे दूसरा वाला क्लू दे देना चाहिए था, हैं?
नहीं.
Easy था.
ठीक है,
First में
थर्ड
just
क्लू
हाँ,
मैं बताता
third
हूँ कि
clue
मैंने
बता
क्या
दो.
लिखा था. थर्ड क्लू was that they were discovered during World War II
Yeah,
by the aircrafts.
Yeah,
correct.
Right.
Good
So,
clues, nice clues.
So jet stream क्या होता है कि for example this is our Earth, right? So इसके ऊपर यहाँ polar region में at tropopause. You know what tropopause is? Tropopause is the point where troposphere is pausing, where the change of temperature is pausing. So it is the upper limit of troposphere, basically a line between troposphere and stratosphere. So there at the edge of troposphere and stratosphere in upper atmosphere, very fast winds are moving in this circular fashion, right? So they are sinusoidal in nature, but they are circumscribing the globe. And because they are circumscribing the globe very, very fast, उससे क्या होता है कि they encapsulate the polar air. They do not allow the polar air to come out, right? So polar air is separated from the air in the tropics, right? At the upper atmosphere. Vortex क्या होता है? Can I get that glass? Ron, your glass. Can you put some water in it, please? I need a spoon also.
You need some more?
No, it's fine. It's fine. I hope you all are able to see this. So if there is some fluid which is at rest, and if this fluid is stirred like this, very fast, so you will see that this vortex has been created.
Correct.
This is what is called a vortex, right? Now imagine, you can have this water, Ron.
Thank you.
Right.
So these vortex are low pressure areas, right?
Yeah.
North pole, south pole.
North Pole, South Pole. So what is happening is, this is the air, and because air is rotating around it at a very high speed, the inner air is also moving. Now if you see, these jet streams are extremely strong during winter. So during winter, when they are very strong, this ring above the earth, it's very strong, and the thickness is also around 1 to 2 kilometers. So it's very difficult for the air to come out, or the vortex to come out. But during summers, what happens? These winds, because there is less temperature difference, these winds, they become weak. The jet streams become weak, and because the jet streams become weak, they tend to move, they tend to expand basically. So the vortex which was created inside, it pushes them outwards, right? It is also a mechanism of heat exchange in the upper atmosphere. And when the vortex penetrates outside, when these jet streams become weak, this polar vortex reaches North America and Russia, and that causes a drop in temperature and snowfall. बिना time की जो snowfall होती है.
Okay.
अभी last year बहुत
So
चला
when
था.
vortex, polar vortex is normal, which you say is a stable one, what happens? They are low pressure areas.
Yes.
So how I understand this is as, since they are low pressure area, they are stable. So when that expansion takes place, so from this low pressure area, it becomes a high pressure area. That is how it goes down,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yes, so air recedes down. No? So when air recedes down at that place, see, low pressure and high pressure are two different things, right? When we are saying low pressure and high pressure, we need to remember what we are exactly we are talking about.
Exactly.
High pressure and low pressure on surface is different,
Yeah.
and high pressure and low pressure on the upper atmosphere is different. So low pressure in upper atmosphere means high pressure condition and low on the surface.
Yeah.
Understood? ये बहुत confusion रहता है थोड़ा सा.
Fine.
ठीक है?
Fine.
So that's it from my side.
And these vortex are counterclockwise moving in the pole.
हाँ, see,
हाँ.
it's a westerly wind, no?
Yeah.
So because of that, it is
Counter.
counterclockwise.
Nice, sir. Good demonstration. I really like that water wala.
Yeah, what?
Because generally when we say vortex, it's difficult for people to visualize a vortex.
Yeah.
वैसे दिखेगा कि जैसे भंवर बनता है.
Yeah.
समंदर में
Practicality
भंवर
in your learning is
Very
always
important.
very important for remembering.
बनता है.
My
चलिए,
turn.
your turn.
My turn. Last question.
Last question.
Last
Last question of the show.
Last question of this
Chalo.
for the episode.
Let's see, are we able to answer or not? Yeah.
I think you should be able to, but okay. Guess the technology.
Okay.
Technology.
technology.
This technology helps corals to counter the threats of global warming.
बहुत सारी टेक्नोलॉजी हो सकती है। आगे बताइए दूसरा नेक्स्ट।
Second point is, by using this technology, corals can grow at least 4 to 6 times faster because they do not need to spend their energy in building their skeletons,
Fine. I read this.
building their calcium carbonate skeletons.
Must have read this in recent time.
हाँ ये पढ़ा है।
It's very unique to India, right? India has done it. India has
I'll
done
give
it.
you the second clue.
Oceanography,
I'll give you the third clue, sir.
oceanography जब
Somewhere in
discuss
Gulf
करेंगे।
of Kutch or somewhere.
I'll give
Okay,
you yes.
yeah.
I'll give you the third clue. The third clue is Zoological Survey of India along with Gujarat's Forest Department
Yeah.
is doing this for the first time in Gulf of Kutch.
Yeah. I know this.
ये ऐसा कुछ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी,
Biorock.
बायोरॉक
Right.
टेक्नोलॉजी।
Biorock is it.
Correct.
तो इसमें ऐसे कुछ इलेक्ट्रिकल पल्सेस वो
Yeah. So I'll tell you about how the technology
Biorock
works. So this technology works by passing a small amount of electrical current through the electrodes in the water.
ओके
Okay. So basically that will help the corals grow faster.
ओके
And one more thing extra is this is for the first time solar powered
Yeah, solar powered.
Biorock is being installed in Gulf of Kutch.
ओके
Yes.
Okay, and it is also called Biorock technology, and it is also called mineral accretion technology.
Yeah.
मिनरल एक्वेशन। अब ऐसा होता है ना कि बिकॉज सी बायोरॉक इज समथिंग इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट दैट इफ इट इज आस्क्ड इन द प्रीलिम्स and if some statements are there and if this electrode thing is also there, it will be very difficult for anybody to relate the name biorock
Biorock.
with electrodes or electricity.
Yeah.
Correct.
Right. So that is the catch. So if you are listening to this video, please note it down and
You know-
remember.
You just remember that normally coral grow करने के लिए क्या होता है? They have to follow the natural process through which they build their
Yeah.
things, right? We are actually assisting them
Yeah.
by giving them this electronic
Electrical
impulses.
charge,
impulses,
so that
so they don't have to invest their own energy to develop those corals,
Right.
isn't it?
calcium carbonate skeletons are
Formation
developed.
of calcium carbonate takes place. And one more important point here is to note is कि ये पूछ सकता है कि वो हाई टाइडल रीजन में कर रहे हैं कि लो टाइडल रीजन में. सो इट इज डन इन द हाई टाइडल रीजन बिकॉज वहाँ पे स्कोप अच्छा होता है.
Hmm.
ओके
Very nice. Very nice. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ let's wind up this
Let's
episode.
wind up the episode.
Thank you so much for watching the episode. Also, do tell us. Last time we had 3 rounds. This time we have tried to include 4 rounds to
I
have
think
more
we have
information.
given a lot of value addition this time.
Yes.
So you enjoyed these value additions or not? That also you should tell us.
Please tell us. Also, we got many mails and we got many messages that from where are we getting all this information, this current affairs, these points, these clues, right? So, source तो बहुत सारे हैं, right?
ऐसा कोई source नहीं होता है. It's
हाँ.
like it's accumulated knowledge, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we don't know that. Okay.
Yeah.
आप क्या कौन सा क्वेश्चन पूछोगे तो मेरे पास उसका कौन सा वैल्यूएशन आने वाला
Right,
है,
right.
isn't it? And मैं कौन सा क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा तो आप कौन सा वैल्यूएशन
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
बिकॉज वो कितने सालों से जो पढ़ते आ रहे हैं वो भी एक्यूमुलेट हो रहा है, रिसेंटली पढ़ा है.
That interlinking of concepts is very important. And if you really want, you can join Tausif sir's current affairs classes that are running right now. There are, I think, 12 lectures.
12 lectures, yeah.
12 lectures. Bought dirt cheap price में यार. It's only 1200 rupees for 12 lectures. So you'll get a lot of information there. All those who are preparing for this year's prelims, especially, I would suggest to join those lectures. Fine. So thank you very much. Stay safe, stay happy, and keep enjoying Babagiri.
Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.